Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, my name is Avery. I am a junior at the University of Mississippi majoring in integrated marketing communication. If you enjoy college and lifestyle vlogs along with fashion, travel, productivity videos, and all of that good stuff, please subscribe down below. In today's video, I'm going to take y'all along on an apartment tour, my first ever college apartment. I absolutely love it and I cannot wait for y'all to see it. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright, let's walk in. The first thing you see is our little living area. I love the Prada sign above the couch. And I think the sunflowers just make the room so happy, and we get so much natural light, which I love. Now on to the kitchen slash dining area. There's me. I think the cabinetry is so pretty and I'm obsessed with it. And there's our cute little circle rug. And look at these oven mitts. They are so cute. Alright, now to our little backyard. And here's a little overview of everything. Now on to the little half bath. It's a pretty good size and it's convenient for guests. There's me again. Now let's head upstairs where mine and my roommate's rooms are. I also have a roommate that lives downstairs as well. Here's our cute little cheetah rugs. And here's our laundry room. Pretty good size. To the left is my roommate Lauren's room. And now on to my room. I'm going to give y'all a quick little overview before going into everything. Okay, so when you walk in, you see this. When you turn left, here's my bathroom. It's a pretty good size. I absolutely love my Simba painting. It is from Ross, aka my favorite store ever. I find the best things in there, and I think he is adorable. And then when you walk over here, it's my little TV area. Then I have this really cute New York skyline painting over it, again from TJ Maxx, only $20. And then you turn this way and here's my little collage wall, I guess you can call it. Gosh, I just had a voice crack. And all of these little frames are from Walmart and they were like $2 a piece. And then I just printed all of these prints from Walgreens. And then this mirror is from Walmart. I love the pink slipper action with the green shirt. I think it matches so well. And then here's my little bed area. This blanket is from HomeGoods, Ross. Pillow from Ross. These pillows are from Etsy. The Euro pillows are from Bed Bath & Beyond. My New York print is from Etsy. And then this painting, my boyfriend painted for me. So yeah, that's the bed area. And then this little rug is from HomeGoods. And here's my little nightstand. And then you turn this way and here's my little desk area. I absolutely love this little corner. I feel like it's private and I can do my work here. So my boyfriend's mom painted me this little heart painting. Here's another little overview. That couture print is from a antique mall. It is the best thing I've ever purchased. And then this neon light is from Ross, again, my favorite store ever. And then this little makeup mirror is from Walmart, and the lighting is amazing. I keep my jewelry and mask on this little jewelry holder from HomeGoods, and this is my favorite candle ever from Bath & Body Works, of course. And then here's my closet. Let me turn the light on. I still have some clothes to unpack, but for now that's okay. I think it's a pretty decent sized closet. Like, it has shelves for storage. I love it. I'm gonna open the blinds now. I get amazing natural light. It's insane, and I live for natural light. It makes me so happy. Yeah, that's my room.